and Qlog, a matapang sa negosyo. Ang kidlat, a malakas sa serbisyo.
Tuto tayo sa X.
To serve the people and its economy. Maraming business, maraming serbisyo. Kapag nagsama-daan, Qlog at ang kidlat sa negosyo. Mas lalakas, ang serbisyo para sa bayan. To help OUR economy to rise up. Partner to serve the people and its economy. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine business. Ang Hari ng Negosyo, Henry C. At ang Hari ng Kuryente Pangilinan.
A business lesson on learning their electricity business and the services they do for the people and its economy. With your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. And a special guest Gian Anthony Makite as Manny Pangilinan. And Kulaget and Kidlat studying Henry C. and the family Santo Roberto Marketing Corporation and Philippine Geothermal Production Company and Manny Pangilinan's business connection with Henry C. Simulcast on Ninong TV June 1st, 2024. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. Presented by Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Blast it! Open sesame, open sesame, open sesame.
And this is your Denver Ninong Castro. Welcome to Ninong TV. You're live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today is another action of learning to discover the businesses of your King of Philippine business, Mr. Edwin. And the title of our vlog for today is Ang Kulo at Ang Kidlat. Study Henry C. and the family's Santo Roberto Marketing Corporation and Philippine Geothermal Production Company and Manny Pangilinan's business connection with Henry C. Wow. Very special po ang ating video vlog na itatap po kayo at kayo sa atin ito dahil pag-aaralan natin ang mga iba pang businesses ng dito that we didn't know. O sa mga nakakalam na, congratulations, pero sa mga iba, lalo-lalo na ang ating mga Gen Z, ang ating mga students and other researchers na alam lang nila SM, hanggang Henry or SMDC, BDO, China Bank, meron pa rin po. Kasi nga, 100 plus to at dagdag learnings ito at dagdag unlock business ito na mali-discover natin sa kanyang mga properties and services. Alright. So today, pag-aaralan natin dito yung kanyang Santo Roberto at Philippine Geothermal Production at ano-ano nga yun. And magkakaroon tayo ng special guest later on. He will be our special guest and nakasama natin sa pelikulang 2012 Philippine Adaptation. Gumanap na Dr. Serto at siya ay walang iba kundi si Gian Anthony Makuta. Alright, so Gian Anthony will be our special guest later to be role as Mr. Manny Pangilinan. Napapangiti kayo dyan. Naalala nyo, Manny Pangilinan na ay state a many business on dun sa unang vlog na ginawa ko, yung bigating business loan. So, siya po yun. So, bago natin mapag-aralan o ma-discover ang tungkol kay Pangilinan, siyempre, slide muna natin ay sa new businesses or new sa mga ngayon lang nakakaalam. Mali ang name naman. My goodness, talagang services na ginagawa ang inyong Henry C. So, unang-una po, yung kanyang Santo Roberto Marketing. Ano nga bang meron doon? It is located in Pasig and classified as marketing consultants, research, analysis, and intelligence. Oh. So, sa business ni Henry C. and the C family, of course, na ay mas i-improve neto, yung Santo Roberto Marketing Corporation is part of the SMIC. So, this is under by SMIC or SM
What?
Investments Corporation. So, yun yung SMIC. So, ano ba ang ginagawa nila dito? Ang ginagawa nila dito, your Tito Henry and the C family is studying yung ating market. Halimbawa, kamusta na yung mga presyo? Is the people is happy to serve pa rin ba? Is people is happy shopping? Kamusta yung mga item, yung ating mga sales? And of course, this is a research analysis. Dito rin nila pinag-aaralan ng mga other brand, yung mga competitors under by the SM and other company. Kaya madalas, weekly or monthly, napapanood nyo yung vlog ni Tita Tessie at ni Tito Henry Jr. Nagpo-post sila sa kanilang SM vlog ng kanilang annual report. Yung stock market, nung last April 24 lang, nag-post sila ng kanilang report about what's happening or kamusta yung status ng SM sales, di ba? So, yun yung part ng Santo Roberto Marketing that they do. Marketing, searching, progress. Kung nag-improve ba, dumami ba yung sales, kamusta yung profit ng Tito Henry nyo. Ayun. And of course, kung ilang tao or ilan pa yung mga dapat nating tulungan or yung mga dapat pa nating improve. So, that's it. And what's all about Philippine Geothermal Production Company Incorporated or PGPC. Ito. So, mag-take down notes kayo dahil merong bagong business ang Tito Henry nyo na nakapag-franchise sila last 2012 to 2017. Dito nang improve ng gusto ang development ng SM investment with the Philippine Geothermal Production. So, is a 100% Filipino corporation operating the Tiwi and Macban geothermal steam fields and is committed to operating in a manner that puts premium on the safety, security, and well-being of its employees, the environment, and its host communities. It is an electric power generation on subsidy of conglomerate SMIC. Is renewable energy portfolio. So, through building 5 new projects in North and South Luzon. Okay. So, sa madaling salita, ito. Sumasabay na rin po sa uso ang SM. Kung si Manny Pangilinan later on, you will discover, right? Basically, when you hear Manny Pangilinan is all about kuryente or Meralco. So, ang SM po ay meron na rin business electricity. Yes. Congratulations. Pero ito po ay under by Luzon provinces. Diba? So, hindi pa naman siya buong Pilipinas. Sa Luzon provinces, selected provinces pa lang po yung kanilang na-implement dito na projection. At manibalita po, gagastos lang daw naman ang inyong C family at ang Tito Henry nyo ng 3 billion pesos para po ma-improve yung ating mga building 5 new projects in North and South Luzon. Para po magpatayo ng mga kuryente. Bukod sa kuryente, ang project po na ito ay isa siyang planta na nag-i-steam sila to protect and to give the special care sa ating mga plants and trees. Kumbaga parang pagdilim, diba? Or para ma-improve natin yung energy source that we are making Philippines or even the worldwide as green planet. Diba? So, binabawasan natin mga toxic, nililinis natin ng paligid. So, yun po yung programa ng Philippine Geothermal under by the SMIC. So, ito po ang dalawang bagong business ng inyong Tito Henry, the St. Roberto Marketing and the Philippine Geothermal. So, yung Philippine Geothermal is a franchise. Yung Santo Roberto Marketing is sila mismo to. Kasi sila yung nagre-research. Just like a group of organization under by the SMIC na sila yung mag-check kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanilang sales. Okay, for the first episode is about St. Roberto Marketing and Philippine Geothermal Productions Company Incorporated. The businesses of your Tito Henry with the C family. Enjoy.
Mr. Chair, based on the record of registration, stockholders who are participating in this meeting in person, virtually, and by proxy represent 1,074,216,081 common shares, constituting 87.9% of the company as of record date, March 25, 2024. I therefore certify that we have a quorum for this meeting. We would also like to inform the shareholders that the representatives of CSIP, Gores, Velayo, and Company
for watching. You've just discovered the Santo Roberto Marketing Corporation and the Philippine Geothermal Production Company Incorporated. So yan po yung dalawang businesses ng Tito Henry nyo at patuloy na nag-improve at nag-develop to serve the people and its economy. Talagang kumukulog talaga ang serbisyo ng Tito Henry when it comes to service, when it comes to people, and now electricity. Talagang we've got it all for you nga talaga sa SM. Maghanap ka ng pagkain, laruan, sapatos, damit, pera, real estate, pati kuryente. Meron na rin sila, di ba? Kaya sabi nga ng Tito Henry sa SM, we've got it all for you. Kuryente, meron na rin po kami. PGPC. Di ba? Ang galing-galing talaga ng Tito Henry nyo. Okay. So, for the next episode, eto po, isa rin tong magaling at naging unang business idol ko at isa sa mga napagod ako. Kinapagod nating slide na ang daming business nito. I hope you watch my first vlog ever that I created, yung bigating Filipino business, Lodi mo. Siya yung top 5 doon eh. Si Mr. Manny Pangilinan. Ayan. So, Manny Pangilinan will be played by the role of Jeon Anthony Makutay. So, siya ang gaganap na Pangilinan and our special guest as well. And to emphasize and to give us the brief summary ng ating businesses na meron si Mr. Pangilinan. So, Jeon, the stage is yours, and to show you the production, the services of Pangilinan works in our community, people, and economy.
Manuel Velez Pangilinan, born on July 14, 1946, also known as Manny Pangilinan or sometimes by his initial MVP, is a Filipino businessman and sport patron. He is the managing director and CEO of First Pacific Company Limited, a Hong Kong-based investment management and holding company with operations in the Asia-Pacific region. Pangilinan is also the first Pacificians chairman for the group's investments in the Philippines, such as the Metro Pacific Investments Corporation, PLDT, and Felix Mining Corporation. He is the chairman emeritus of the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas or SBP, and was the first president, having served the 2 consecutive terms from 2007 to 2018.
So how can we say of the total taxes we pay, X should go to the local government and Y to the national government? That said, I think I can sympathize with the position of local government about having a greater share of the relevant resources that are extracted from their jurisdiction. I mean, in a way, I think the issue of SC 72 is that really within Palawan's
is with his system that makes him a certified, all Filipino conference winner.
I think his ability to communicate to Filipinos, his ability to learn, and his ability to create the chemistry with the team.
Is it a problem for you as a team owner how foreign leagues are looking
Okay, yung It's Discover Manny Pangilinan slides. Thank you, Jayon Anthony, sa slides mo. So, si Jayon yung ating nakasama sa film ng 2012, Philippine Adaptations. And we are very happy he is here again in our program. And of course, ito, napag-aralan natin ulit, Manny Pangilinan, na talagang ang dami rin palang properties and businesses. Halos 30 plus, 50 plus, or 20, 30 plus ata.
TV5, Meralco, Maynila, PLDT, Smart, Talking Tech, San Beda School, Metro Pacific Investment Corporation, Felix, Mining.
3 hours later.
Pero hindi natin alam ang Tito Henry niyo pala. Hindi ko na-realize. Mas marami pala yung kay Henry kaysa kay Pangilinan. Kay Pangilinan, napagod na katapos. Okay. But anyway, that is my first discovery. So, ganun naman din tayo. Especially mga students natin. Na inakala natin, yan lang business niya. Pero, when we research critically and we summarize it, talagang napakarami nilang serbisyo at napakarami nilang activity. Just like kulog at kidlat. Diba? Kapag kumukulog, the lights is forming sa ulap. You know, kulog and kidlat is made of ice. Just, I remember Kuya Kim. Yan, si Kuya Kim Atiensia. So, special shout out to you, sir, Kuya Kim. Na napag-aralan ko kulog at kidlat is have a formation of ice. Di ba ito yung clouds? Diba? Ulan daw kunwari. And then, may ice siya sa loob. When the two ices ay nag-sanipwersa or nagbungguan, dito po na po produce yung mga kulog at kidlat. Lalong-lalo na pag nag-twist sila, di ba, may lalabas na kidlat yung parang tail ni Pikachu, di ba? Parang ganun siya. Di ba, ang lakas. Kidlat. Okay. So that what I stake. And para sa akin naman talaga ang kulog at kidlat. Nakakatakot naman talaga. Sino ba nakita ko sa kulog at kidlat? Well, siguro wag tayong ganong matakot ng suko. Kasi alam naman natin na ang kulog at kidlat ay creation din po ng ating Lord. Diba? So, let's think of that positively. Na ang ating mga kulog at kidlat ay nagbibigay ng power source. Diba? Kung bakit tayo may kuryente, bakit tayo may ilaw, it's because of the kidlat or thunder. Just like remember si Benjamin, diba? Hindi po si Private Benjamin. Okay ba yun? Benjamin Franklin create or discover electricity because of the thunder. Diba? So, nung unang panahon yun, pero wag niyo pong gagawin ngayon, ha? Baka pumapano kayo. Siyempre, itinalaga yun ng Lord ng araw. At tayo, siyempre, dahil millennial tayo, or nung panahon na yun kasi is OG pa yung mga tao. So, kailangan natin ng discovery kung paano magkakailaw. At yun, na-discover yun because of the kite. O yung saranggola, pinalipad niya dun sa kumukulog na area, and then nakidlatan yun, dun niya ni-discover yung thunder into electricity. At nagkaroon ng electricity yung machine na and so forth, dumami na yung ating mga electrician, just like we have Thomas Thomson. He discovered or he created the bulb, yung bombilya. And itong 19th century to 20th century in the Philippines, we have Mr. Manny Pangilinan, that is, business is electricity. Diba? So the positive way naman nun is, okay naman yung naging creation ng mga kulog at kidlat. Diba? Siyempre tayo mga tao, nanonood lang tayo lang ang salubungin natin, di na barbecue tayo yan. Diba? So, we are only watching those of that. Siyempre, medyo talagang nakakatakot pero may goods na production yung ating mga kulugan dito. So, siyempre, distance tayo. Ito si kulog dito. So, they are making power or they are making resource to improve. Somehow, mga discipline din, yung mga pasaway dyan. Mga kinukulog, kinikidnap na kasi talagang ayaw pasaway. Mga gumagawa ng diyo na banda. Okay? Speaking of kulog at kidlat, ito na nga ang main connection ng ating video vlog. Ang kulog at ang kidlat, kapag nagsanib puwersa, talagang malakas. Kumakabog at talagang nagliliwanag. Diba? Kagaya na lang po ng ating two business legendary, Mr. Henry C. and Mr. Pangilinan. Diba? Ang kulog at ang kidlat, when we say kidlat, is just like electricity, talagang thunderbolts, diba? O, Meralco, alam niyo na yun. At isang kulog na hindi pa kakabog. Diba? Sa business, talagang hanggang ngayon, ma-aksyon pa rin sa serbisyo ang inyong Tito Henry. So, the tandem of Henry C. and Manny Pangilinan, for the first time, madidiscover natin ang dalawang tycoons na gumagawa ng kulog at kidlat. Hindi po literal na kulog at kidlat. The business. Diba? And how we will check it out, their services and activities for the people and its economy. Enjoy.
In other organizations, it was cases where I first meet many young promising business people and professionals. My move to Makati was due to Suma Kosome. She was a patient again assassinated assassination. In 1983, there was severe economic crisis. I started SMCT Northern. During the coup against the president from 1987 to 89, I started to build Mega Mall. And now, in the midst of Asia crisis, I'm embarking on the greatest project of my life, the Mall of Asia.
I was born poor, but poor was not born in me, and it shouldn't be born in you either. You can make it whatever you may wish to do with your future. You can make it from your Mani Pangili Nans, giving you my action to serve the people and its economy. And thank you, Mr. Henry C., for the friendship we build to help out people, to your SM and to my companies as business partners.
I came to appreciate the natural beauty and many economic advantages of the Philippines. I kept working and investing with positive thinking. From your Henry C., giving you my action of learning the business to serve our nation. And thank you also to you, Mani Pangilinan, for the help and effort you've shared from your prospective companies and services with my SMIC.
Okay, you've just discovered the tandem of Henry C. and Pangilinan. And by the way, in-insert ko pala dun yung aking experience sa Meralco Museum. That was happened last 2013 on my field trip in KCM Academy, Parañaque City. So, special shout out mga taga KCM, students, teachers. I miss you all and I remember all of your great learnings and efforts, the great friendship that we go beyond. So, yan po ako high school and elementary days up to K-12. And I remember the field trip that we do. In 2013, we go to Meralco. At tuwang-tuwa ako nung time na yun. Kasi ako po ay tagahanga ni Pangilinan that time. At talagang nandun ang Tito Manny nyo. Naka-model talaga siya together with his Meralco business and services. Talaga napipil natin yung kidlat service o yung Thunderbolts ng Meralco. At talagang literal na mga kuryente talaga doon kasi pag pumunta kayo doon, meron pa nga yung time na yung parang hahawak ka sa bolang kristal kasi may kuryente yon. Hindi ka naman literal na mag-ground eh. Pag hinawakan nyo yon, tatas lahat ng buhok nyo. Yes. Wag lang basahin kamay mo, baka doon talaga literal na mag-ground ka. Okay. And pinapakita rin doon, yes, they also have the yung parang room siya, nandun yung mga bolts talaga na delikadong hawakan kasi parang yung talaga yung kidlat. No? Pag pumasok ka, wala na. Barbecue ka na paglabas yan. Okay, so they are protected and safe naman. So, pag nasa Meralco Museum yon. So, if you're free, just visit that. Diba? Ang ganda. You can discover na yung ating mga kuryente sa mga kable around Luzon, around that particular area, may mahabang kable na yun yung nagsusupply sa lahat ng kuryente sa mga cities natin. O kung saan mang lungsod tayo, yung kuryente na yun yung nagpo-produce ng kuryente sa mga bahay-bahay. And even schools, subdivision, buildings, etc. Diba? And of course, your Tito Henry, diba? Henry C. and Pangilinan magkasama pa sa panonood ng basketball. Ito kasi si Pangilinan mahilig to sa sports. So si Henry C. Talagang na-adapt na rin ang pagiging sportsmanship together with Pangilinan. Kaya ngayon si Tito Enrique, di ba? He has the FPU NU basketball players, yung mga Bulldog ba yun? NU Bulldogs, yung mga manlalaro sa basketball, volleyball. So, ayun po, na-discover natin ang mga businesses nila and their services. And for the next episode naman, eto, kung kumukulog at kumikidlat ang businesses ni Henry C. at ni Pangilinan, syempre, magpapaulan naman sila ng CSR. Literal na bagyo talaga itong vlog natin. Porque tag-ulan na, sakto, tag-ulan na nga talaga. So, saktong-sakto tong segment natin. Ang kulog at ang kidlat. Pero ngayon, magpapaulan naman sila ng serbisyo. Siyempre, they are feel blessed. They are feel happy from the Lord and Jesus. Siyempre, kailangan muna natin mag-share ng kung anong meron tayo. Ano bang pwedeng gawin ng CSR ni Pangilinan? Ano bang pwede niyang gawin na tulong? And anong pwedeng gawin ng Santo Roberto and Philippine Geothermal Production sa mga ganitong CSR? To help the poor, to help the people, to help the economy to rise, to help the environment, to help you, and to help me and all of the people in the Philippines and even worldwide. So let's check it out, the CSR of Henry C. and Manny Pangilinan.
For those at the Forbes Ballroom, we have arranged snacks for the occasion, and everybody is invited to enjoy the refreshments.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Can we also invite members of the media and analysts to proceed to the Taft Ballroom for a media and analysts briefing after this? And can I ask the members on the stage to stand, please, for a short photo opportunity? Thank you very much, everybody. Good afternoon.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless to all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog. Ang Kulob at ang Kidlat. Studying Henry C. and the family's Santo Roberto Marketing Corporation and Philippine Geothermal Production Company and Manny Pangilinan's Business Connections with Henry C. Okay, maraming salamat po sa mga nanood at nag-subscribe. At sa ating mga watchers na gusto mag-download nito kasi interesting to dahil education na, entertainment pa, business pa. Marami kayong matututunan when it comes to business and energy. Download nyo na po ito for only 100 pesos. Ayan, summer sales po tayo from May 25 to June 25. So, itong video vlog na to, you can download and save to your memory card, USB, storage. Pwede nyo pong panoorin without internet, without wifi, without any charges. Anytime, anywhere, pwede nyo po itong mapanood. Ulit-ulitin nyo pa kung gusto nyo pa. And you can also post it on your social media. So parang meron na rin kayong original copy ng vlog ng game. You can buy this for only 100 pesos and choose 2 more. Kasi 3 video vlogs for 100 pesos. Halimbawa, itong Kulob Kidlat. And then i-download nyo rin yung photo ni Ninong. And then i-download nyo yung let's go and let's play sa SMDC. So you have 3 videos to download on your cellphone and pay me for only 100 pesos. 60 pesos for screen records. Sa isang video lang po yun. Okay, bawa itong video vlog na to, screen record mo from first to last live, that's your 60 pesos. So, PM me on how to avail. So, maraming salamat po. And of course, last time lang, noong May 24, if you watch my video vlog, the Let's Go and Let's Play, Let's Swim and Let's Play sa SMDC. Part 2, gusto ko lang pong mag-thank you sa SM Supermalls, of course, to your Tito Henry and to all of the C family, to SMDC, for this award that I received. I have the certificate of appreciation. Yes, na-discover na po ang ating Ninong TV sa paggawa ng mga dekalidad na video vlog, education and entertainment to market and to promote your Tito Henry's businesses and his SM Supermalls. Na magto 2 years na po ako nagbablog ng mga businesses ni Henry C. At ito po, nagkaroon na po tayo ng karangalan. This is not only for me. Alay ko rin po ito sa inyong lahat, sa aking mga subscribers na tumatangkilik at nagsusubscribe at nanonood ng aking Ninong TV. They do the take down notes, they download it, and they watch my program for your entertainment and to discover more about SM na hindi lang po SM ang meron ang Tito Henry nyo, kundi parang. So, certificate says that Mr. Denver Castro, of course, certificate of appreciation from SMDC and SSN, proudly presented. Congratulations on achieving this milestone as a blogger. A reminder of your accomplishments and inspire you to continue pursuing excellence in blogging journey. Given this May 24, ito po ay nangyari sa Ecom Center, Mall of Asia, Pasay City. Galing po kay Ma'am Sherry Bay Ramos, Director po ng SMDC, and to Miss Susan S. Magano, Assistant VP ng SMDC. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. Of course, unang-una sa ating Lord for this great blessing. Lord Jesus, salamat po na ako ay nagkaroon ng ganitong karangalan through my hard work. Diba? Na-discover na pong Ninong TV natin. And of course, to my parents, to my mommy and daddy, to my sisters, to my best friend na nanonood at tumatangkilik ng aking mga vlogs for your education and entertainment, and to all of my subscribers for through the years na nandyan. So thank you so much po para sa ating lahat tong award na ito. So came from SMDC under by the SM Supermalls. Ang ninong niya po ay na-discover at na-awardan na bilang best vlogger ng SM. Yes. Okay, so yun na rin yun kasi na-discover ako na nagpa-vlog. So nagpapasalamat sila. Tuwang-tuwa sila sa paggawa ko ng video vlog sa SM. Para ma-vlog ang daddy nila, Mr. Henrici. So thank you po sa mga C-family. Sana makilala, ma-discover ko rin kayo, lalo na si Junior, si Henrici Junior, yung kaniyang iba pang mga kapatid, mga admins, mga kasati. I'm so excited to work with the SM family. And ito rin, isa rin karangalan na ipinagpapasalamat ko aside from that award. Your ninong is now appointed as the new Property Associates of SMDC. Sa madaling salita, tutulungan ko na po at tutulungan ko po ang SMDC na ma-promote, magkaroon ng customer, makahanap tayo ng mga gustong bumili ng property ng Tito Henry nyo. Yeah. Lalo ngayon, balita ko, and last time lang I stayed on my vlog, na meron silang mga bagong pabahay businesses along Batangas, along Laguna. And they have new condo build dyan sa 13 Martires, the Seal Residence. And they also have over 70 plus condo created. Grabe. Kaya matutulungan ko kayo. Maasahan nyo ninong nyo dito. I will create vlogs para yung inyong mga gagawing new business condo ay ma-promote natin, di ba? Magkaroon tayo ng kahit 5, 10 na client because of these vlogs or because of my effort na matulungan ng SMDC, di ba? We will work together para dito, para tayo ay makapaghanap pa ng more people, di ba? Mas maraming tao, mas maraming business na mapuproduce. Sabi nga ng Tito Henry nyo, when I see a lot of people, number 1, it means business. Diba? Number 2, the operation. Diba? So makita mo mga tao, tumatangkilik ng produkto mo, iinom ng kape, magsha-shopping ng mga produkto mo, and that means progress. Diba? Maraming salamat po at dito po nagtatapos ang ating Ninong TV's video vlog in the Henricis, the King of Philippine Business, ang Kulo at ang Kidlat. See you for my another video vlog. Goodbye and thank you.